There are times when it may be necessary to move many database items at once. Say, for example, you have a number of texts that you wish to reorganize into a new hierarchy, or perhaps you have a lot of image resources that you would like to recategorize by excavation season, or by any other means necessary. Maybe you have a number of persons that you would like to reorganize into meaningful hierarchies. Now, if you have only 20 or 30 database items that you wish to move, it's probably easiest just to drag and drop those items. However, if you have hundreds or even thousands of database items that need to be moved, that can become very tedious very quickly. So I'll show you another method to move large numbers of database items at once. So first, either search using the linked items manager or by using a query to get a list of items that you wish to move. I'll say that I'm going to search for persons who have BN in their name. So here's a list of 28 of those people. So here I'm in the query results pane. Here are my items. Now, I cannot drag from this list because you'll see when I click on them they open up for editing. However, if I change the display format from list to checklist, now I can select which items I want to move. Let's say, for example, I want to move all of them. Or if I just want to choose 2, or I can click on the names, click the space bar, and toggle the items I want to select. So let's say I want to select all 28. And then I want to move them to a hierarchy called literary and divine characters. Maybe these all appear in a story or a myth or something. So I'm going to categorize them there. I will use this button on the toolbar to move these items. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it'll show you have now a couple of options. You can move all of these items, in which case it'll take all 28, remove them from whatever context they're in currently, and put them into the new context you've selected over here. Or, if I want to also put them in this context, in addition to wherever they also originally exist, I could choose repeat. But let's say in this case I've decided I want them all in the new place. I would click move, and it would move all 28 of those people into this new hierarchy. Now in my case I don't want to do that. These are not literary characters, but the point is here just to demonstrate how this button would work. So again, you just click move, and OCHRE will take a second and reorganize all of those items. Now be careful, because if you have hundreds or thousands of items, we recommend that you do them in batches. Don't do, say, 500 or 1,000 items at once. It may cause your computer to crash. This is actually asking OCHRE to do quite a lot of work here. So start with a small number, make sure it's going to work, make sure they end up where you want them to end up, and then you can gradually increase the numbers that you move. Typically I don't do more than a couple hundred at a time, just because I don't want to have to start over and create my query results list and then begin moving again. So that's a quick overview of how to use this move button.